Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view blocked accounts on Facebook Messenger. It's simple, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in Messenger, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the home screen. A menu will slide out. From there, tap the settings icon. This will take you to your Messenger profile. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Privacy section, you'll see several options. Scroll down until you reach the Who Can Reach You section and tap on Blocked Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked on Messenger. If you want to unblock someone, just tap their name and select Unblock from the confirmation pop-up. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips.